Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to update your card, switch payments options or fix billing issues, changing your payments method in Perplexity AI is simple and important. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to change your payments method in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open Perplexity AI. So go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile app. So log into your account, go to account settings. Okay, so tap your picture, tap all settings. Okay, check your profile icon, open accounts. Okay, and look for billing. Okay, so option subscription settings, scroll to subscription, click manage plan or manage subscription. So it should be somewhere here. Okay, after you upgrade your plan, find payments method section for look for billing and shipping information, click add payment method or edit existing one. Okay, add or update payments method, so enter new details, credit or debit card or supported methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. Okay, so after that, save changes. Okay, and set as default if needed. So choose your new method as default, so ensure future payments use it. Okay, to avoid issues, confirm changes. So check that new payments method is listed, make sure old one is replaced if needed. Okay, and test with next billing cycle. So next your next charge will use updated method, no immediate charge unless renewing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.